as a recap of step number 5, my dear students, so yung coenzyme A, okay, is displaced by the phosphate group, okay, and the succinate is formed, meaning yung succinyl coenzyme A is phosphorylated, okay, that is acted by enzymes, succinyl coenzyme synthetase enzyme to form succinate. So this phosphate group is taken up by guanosine diphosphate, okay, to form guanosine triphosphate, meaning there is what we call phosphorylation process that will happen. So GTP is also used to generate GTP is also used to generate ATP via substrate level phosphorylation process. So meaning yung step number 5, there is a phosphorylation process, meaning yung guanosine diphosphate is converted to guanosine triphosphate. So this reaction, succinate coenzyme A or succinyl coenzyme A. So that is acted by succinate coenzyme synthetase enzyme. So it is converted to succinate. The reaction is reversible. Okay. Basta opposite arrow class, take note, the reaction is reversible. Next, step number 6. 2 hydrogen atoms are removed from the succinate. So there is removal of 2 hydrogen atom. That is acted by flavine adenine dinucleotide. So it will form flavine adenine dinucleotide plus 2 hydrogen, which is also an electron carrier. Okay? So the remaining molecule after the oxidation process is known to be fumarate, meaning the reaction involved is there is a removal of hydrogen in the succinate class. Then yung flavine adenine dinucleotide or FAD is converted to FADH, which is the oxidation process. So FAD is known to be an oxidizing agent. Okay, so the product of step number 6 after the oxidation process is fumarate. Okay, now we go to step number 7. The addition of water to fumarate, it will form malate. Okay, so itong malate class, ito yung utilized during the gluconeogenesis. Remember, ito yung product na form when pyruvate is converted to oxaloacetate, then oxaloacetate to malate, malate to oxaloacetate. Remember? Okay, so this is usually the building blocks also of the gluconeogenesis if you try to follow our diagram. So we have here step number 8. Finally, malate is oxidized again. So yung NAD is converted to NADH plus H, meaning there's removal of hydrogen and addition of oxygen. That is oxidation process, wherein malate is converted to, or it will form oxaloacetate. So this completes one turn of cycle and regenerates oxaloacetate. Meaning class, in this cycle, in citric acid cycle, the product is oxaloacetate. And there is intermediate product, is malate. So most of these one are building blocks, especially in the gluconeogenesis process. When a pyruvate is converted to oxaloacetate, this carboxylation that is acted by carboxylic kinase enzyme, remember? So from that oxaloacetate to malate, malate to oxaloacetate, so ito na yung tinatawag natin mga building blocks, and it will be utilized, okay, in the gluconeogenesis, in the production of energy. So this one, we have succinate, step number 6, converted to fumarate. Take note, yung succinate, ano yung lalabas doon? There is what you call removal again of hydrogen, that is dehydrogen, that is dehydrogenation process, removal of hydrogen, and it is oxidation. And fumarate again, so magkaroon ng tawag na addition of water to form malate, and malate, there is what you call a oxidation process. Will in NAD is converted to NADH plus H, it will form oxaloacetate, which is also utilized in the gluconeogenesis cycle. Okay, so later on, next topic natin class, we will discuss on Cori cycle for the next week.